Welcome back to Jeevashastra Abhyasa. I'm your educator, Day. After a long time, we are meeting with each other, and today in this video, we will be learning about a very important topic which can come for 3 marks as a schematic representation, and that topic is spermatogenesis. So, what is spermatogenesis, and how the spermatogenesis takes place, where the spermatogenesis takes place? To know this all, let's go to the video. So as we all know that sperms are human beings reproductive gamete. As it is a gamete, so it has to be formed in our body itself. So where it is going to be formed? The sperm cells are formed inside the gonads of the male individual, which can be termed as testis. So as spermatogenesis is the part of gametogenesis, so which is gametogenesis is defined as the generation of male or female gametes in the gonads of male and female individuals. That is known as gametogenesis, formation of gametes. So in that, if the gametes or sperm is produced in the male individual in the testis, then it is known as spermatogenesis. In the testis, the center of generation of sperm is, as you all know, which is that one? That is seminiferous tubules. In the seminiferous tubules, it's going to be developed, and then it moves in the epidermis. Then it is going to be ejaculated through the penis, which is both for sperm and also for urination. Now, how it is formed, it is very important. In this particular seminiferous tubules, how it is formed. So let's learn that. Now we're going to exactly learn what is the procedure of process or production of sperm in a testis. So mainly it has been divided into 3 types. You can see over here: phase of multiplication, phase of growth, phase of maturation. So by the name only you can understand what it is. The germinal epithelial layer, which you can see over here, is first it is going to be divided into by the process of mitosis. The whole diploid number of chromosomes, that is 2n46 number of chromosomes, are going to get divided into through mitosis. Remember, only 2 cells are generated. That is, one is type A and type B spermatogonium cells are generated from the germ cell, that is the germinal epithelial layer. And here type A cell remains as a stem cell, and it further undergoes again the mitosis process itself. But the type B, it starts undergoing the process of phase of growth. So that means the first step, the generation of spermatogonium from the germ cell, will be termed as the phase of multiplication. So then when we come to this part, so the phase of growth, so where the cell is going to grow in a larger size by accompanying or accumulating lots of the nutrients, media and cytoplasm in it for the future processes and to the growth or for the division processes. So it's going to these type B cells are going to get generated, or it is going to undergo the process of phase of growth. So after the phase of growth, the cell which you get, it is diploid, and even now it is in diploid in condition, because only growth has taken place, no division has taken place over here. And this particular is known as primary spermatocyte, that cell. If it is not if you can't visible, so I'll write over here, that is primary spermatocyte. Okay, so I have written here if it is not visible there. So if visible, fine, okay. So I'm unable to understand because my camera is facing that side. And now the main process is going to happen. So over here, the next phase is going to start, which determines whole process of spermatogenesis, that is phase of maturation. So what is maturation over here? So here maturation means not maturity of getting a maturity. So here maturation means, so here the diploid number primary spermatozoid what we get is going to divide it through meiosis, and we're going to get haploid number of spermatids, right? First, the primary spermatocyte divide through meiotically to get secondary spermatocyte. That these two cells, 1 and 2 cells, are called as secondary spermatocyte. The same procedure you can see in even in the gametogenesis, which I covered earlier in this particular in this channel. So I'll put somewhere over here on the I button. So if you want to see it, you can go and check out that even. So yeah, next procedure is the secondary spermatocyte again divides, and we are going to get 4 number of cells by primary spermatocyte. We are going to get 4 number of cells through meiosis, and all of the cells what we get is haploid in number. That is only 23 number of chromosomes we are going to have, 23 number. Okay, chromosomes we will have at the last, and those cells what we get is known as spermatids. These all 4 cells are called as spermatids. So these are the cell which is viable cells for the generation of sperms. So inactive sperms are going to be get generated, and here one catch is there for you people. So that is 1 marks question may come in this at the end of this after the spermatids. So there's a particular term called as I'll rub this that is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. What is spermiogenesis? So from this spermatids, so what we get at the end of this one, so spermatids, these are going to generate the sperms. The 4 sperms from 4 cells are going to be generated, which will be a non-motile sperms, and non-active sperms are going to be generated. So those sperms are generated, and those particular sperms are going to get activated, or the non-active non-motile sperms are going to get, they will have the activity, they start the activity, or they get matured. That particular term is known as spermiogenesis. The process of conversion of the non-motile non-active sperms into active ones are known as spermiogenesis. This is for 1 marks, and this particular you can be asked this one for 3 marks. The schematic, write a brief, schematically draw the process of, or the phases of spermatogenesis can be asked. So this is the topic what I wanted to discuss today. So I hope you understood this topic. If anything doubts are there, please comment below, and let's increase the subscriber this time. So I hope you're going to like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. That is the red color button over that, which makes me to motivate me to make more videos. So I hope these 2 steps have been understood by you. So there's nothing to say more. So until next time, let's hit the road of success together. Jai Hind.